Air fryers are also far more versatile than a deep fryer, which can only do one thing. In addition to cooking fried foods, like French fries, fritters, and falafels, air frying also lets you grill a steak, roast a chicken or vegetables, bake a pizza or potatoes or meatloaf, dehydrate fruit, or crisp up some veggie chips. There are many air fryers out there on the market, and if you don't know which is good for your need, then we can help you some of the best in the business. Please go to the link in the description box down below to see more information and the latest price update. So, let's get started with the video. Starting up with number 5, we have the Dash Compact Air Fryer. Dash Air Fryer come with a great little compact air fryer. That's ideal for single servings, and with its small footprint takes up very little counter space. It's a popular budget option for singles and couples that don't need to cook a whole family meal and want some crispy, delicious sides or snacks. In design perspective, it's got a cool retro-style look and comes in 5 different color options. So you should be able to easily match one to your kitchen decor. One of the things I really like about the Dash is how easy it is to use. Just load up the fryer basket, set the temperature, using the big dial on top. Then the frying time with the big dial on the front. And that's it. There's also an auto shut-off feature, which is convenient. Come over performance department, the Dash Compact Air Fryer uses air crisp technology and a rapid air circulation system to quickly crisp your ingredients while eliminating extra calories from added oil. While enjoying equally delicious and healthy results, the Dash use air crisp technology and a rapid air circulation system fries ingredients without oil, resulting in delicious food with no extra calories. As the mention above, it have an automatic 30-minute timer shuts off to eliminating the possibility of overcooking or burning, cleans is easily with no extra mess. Temperature control dial allows the user to adjust the heat for a variety of different foods for convenient control. It come with a compact size easy store in any kitchen and perfect for portion control and individual servings. To conclude, the affordably priced Dash Compact Electric Fryer is perfect for enjoying your fried food cravings in a healthier way. Plus its compact size makes it an ideal option for condos, dorm rooms, cabins and RVs. Come to the 4th place, we have the Instant Pot Vortex Plus 6-in-1 Air Fryer. The Instant Vortex Plus Air Fryer swirls a breath of fresh air into your kitchen. Enjoy all the flavor of deep fried, all the benefits of air fried, and all the reliability and convenience of an instant multifunctional appliance. With one appliance, you can air fry, roast, bake, broil, reheat, dehydrate and rotisserie cook your food. In design perspective, the Vortex Plus look quite similar Dash Air Fryer but it bigger than. The sleek stainless steel face features large, easy-to-read buttons for quick access to their 6 functions with preset smart programs. So you can conveniently air fry, roast, broil, bake, reheat, or dehydrate. You'll also find buttons for time and temperature settings. The large dial in the middle is hard to miss. It lets you make easy selections without having to click numerous times, just to get the right temperature. It's got a huge 6-quart capacity and what's great is that the basket is actually square, which creates more cooking space. In terms of performance, it used the preset smart programs to easily air fry, roast, broil, bake, reheat or dehydrate your favorites. Whether cooked from fresh or frozen, the Instant Vortex Plus circulates super hot air around your food, so it cooks evenly and locks in moisture, giving you the crispy, golden texture and delicious taste of deep fried, without the oil, grease and mess. With little to no preheating time, whip up dinner in half the time of a conventional oven, without heating up the whole kitchen. The air fryer basket and cooking pans are removable and dishwasher safe. Simple touch controls are easy to use, and the Vortex Plus remembers your settings, so your favorites can be made with the touch of a button. This little air fryer packs a big punch. Combining versatility with such a small footprint, and you'll be saying goodbye to your microwave, pizza oven, dehydrator and toaster in no time. Anything they can do, the Instant Vortex Plus Air Fryer can do better. At the end, Vortex Plus gives you the versatility of being able to roast, broil, bake, reheat, or dehydrate all without the mess, fuss, oil and fat for clean, fast, and healthy cooking. Making it a great investment for families, especially with the large 6-quart capacity. Hello guy, we are new channel, and our purpose is to help customers simplify purchase decisions, reducing the hour of research, and we do short review of the 5 trending product in each video. So if something go wrong or information is not suitable, please forgive, and comment below to correct us. Thanks. Moving on at number 3, we have the Ninja AF101 Air Fryer. The Ninja Air Fryer has a 4-quart capacity basket, but it not mean the limited to only air frying. It's a pretty versatile appliance that also adds dehydrating air roasting and reheating capabilities. The 4-quart capacity, non-stick crisps basket is good for small families. You'll be able to make up to 2 pounds of French fries, chicken wings, or fish sticks. The aesthetics are appealing, but it doesn't have the appeal of a retro look or the sophistication of stainless steel appliances. It looks quite functional, but the 4-in-1 appliance does perform exceptionally well. It does a great job with one touch control panel is straightforward with each of the 4 functions right there, for easy selection and setting the temperature, and the timer's just as convenient. You'll be able to use the air fryer for crispy foods like hash browns or chicken wings, while the air roasting is ideal for casseroles or roasted vegetables. The dehydrate mode may not be utilized much for some people, but you can make homemade, potato chips or dried fruits and jerky. To conclude, while some may use this feature, I think most will find it more convenient to just use a microwave. What I like about the Ninja over many air fryers in this class is the wider temperature range, allowing from 105 degrees all the way to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, which allows for more options when cooking. Whether you take advantage of all the features or not, the Ninja Air Fryer offers more versatility in your kitchen over regular air fryers, and with the 4-quart capacity, ease of use and budget-friendly price. At number 2, we have the Cosori Max XL Air Fryer. Cosori Max XL Air Fryer may not have all the added cooking functions of the Ninja, but it excels in what it's designed to do. And that's to let you create your favorite dishes with less oil in less time. You can select from 3 different color options for the digital version or Wi-Fi model. There's also a smaller 3.7 quart option, but I think when it comes to value, the larger 5.8 quart definitely gives you more bang for your air frying dollar, which is only marginally smaller than the Ninja. Now, although it's not as big, the basket is deeper, so you'll be able to fry up a whole 5 to 6 pound chicken compared to a 4-pound chicken on the Instant Pot. There's even a skewer rack, and it comes with 4 skewers. So cooking up kebabs is extremely easy, especially without having to continually rotate it to cook it consistently. The design is clean and very modern, and I think it'll look great with most kitchen decor. The whole control panel is nicely laid out, so you get all 11 original presets right there for easy access on the LED screen. You'll even get a reminder when you need to shake the basket. You also get the benefit of being able to preheat your oil, which is a feature usually found on more advanced fryers. It just takes 2 to 5 minutes to preheat, and you'll find it improves both the texture and taste of the food in terms of safety. I like how the Cosori will automatically pause cooking when the baskets are removed. To finish, the Cosori Air Fryer Max XL is a great addition to any kitchen, not just in style, but also in functionality with its extra large capacity and deeper cooking basket. So it's going to appeal to families looking to eat more healthy without giving up the fried food flavor. The last product on our list is the Philips TurboStar. Philips has introduced the first air fryer back in 2010, and since then has been continually perfecting the air fryer. And I think the Philips TurboStar is as close to perfection as you're going to get. It's definitely more pricey than both the Ninja and Instant Pot at about $340, but for the premium price, you're also getting some premium features. The TurboStar features fat removal technology, which extracts and captures excess fat. Now you can fry your favorite foods with little or no added oil and remove fat from food too. In addition to air frying, it also grills, roasts, bakes, reheats, dehydrates and toasts, giving you actually 7 functions and 6 preset cooking modes for even more versatility in the ways you can prepare your meals. Now, what I think is great is that you can get additional cooking accessory kits to even further expand its functionality, including making pizzas. But unfortunately, even with the premium price, these accessories don't come included. The easy-to-use digital touchscreen with its quick control dial lets you easily choose your settings with simple icons, making it really convenient to quickly prepare entire meals. The extra-large 4-quart capacity can handle up to 3 pounds and lets you cook larger food items like whole chickens and roasts, or 6 ample servings, making it great for families and parties. Unlike the Ninja Air Fryer, the Philips also has an impressive temperature range up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Plus, the TurboStar XXL has incredibly fast air circulation. So you get fast and consistent cooking results that are more uniform. I think the Philips TurboStar is an excellent air fryer. And despite the higher price tag, the full-featured appliance with its versatile cooking functions is definitely worth the investment for families that love fried foods and want to eat healthier. Thanks for watching. And that's all for now. If you like this video and it helped you out in any way, please give the video a like, subscribe and hit the bell icon to not miss any videos update.